Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is how to access a course. As you see now, I'm on dashboard. I see all my courses here. To access any of them, all I need to do is to click on it. For instance, if I want to see the material for this course, which is LAPC ESL Tutors, I click on it. And then here I see this page, which is the home page for this course. On the left side of the course, I can see important tools that we usually use for any of our classes, like assignments, discussions, our grades, our classmates or professors here and people, and the pages that we have, files, syllabus, and all of them. So just click on the course and then you can see the home page of the course. If I want to go back to dashboard, here on the left side, I have to just click on dashboard, and now I'm on dashboard with all my courses here. Thank you.